Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Maroon, green, black, red, yellow, A, say with me, A for apple, B, say with me, B for book, C, say with me, C for cake, D, say with me, D for doll, E, say with me, E for egg, F, say with me, F for fan, G, say with me, G for grape, H, say with me, H for horse, I, say with me, I for ink, J, say with me, J for jackfruit, K, say with me, K for key, L, say with me, L for lemon, M, say with me, M for mango, N, say with me, N for nut, O, say with me, O for orange, P, say with me, P for penguin, Q, say with me, Q for queen, R, say with me, R for rose, S, say with me, S for star, T, say with me, T for tiger, U, say with me, U for uniform, V, say with me, V for van, W, say with me, W for whale, X, say with me, X for X-ray, Y. Say with me, Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Say with me, Z. Z for zoo. Please subscribe for more videos.